Buongiorno. Welcome to Nana's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a little tomato, potato, and onion salad. Mom used to make this for my dad when he was digging potatoes out in the field. She'd bring a big bowl of the salad, and what you do is take potatoes and mix them in there. Now these are the small potatoes. You can get bigger potatoes and cut them in half, and just dump the whole thing in there. There you go. The tomatoes, the garden tomatoes are the best in the summer. Right now in the wintertime are store-bought tomatoes, and they don't have as much taste. The heirloom tomatoes are good. You can get smaller yellow and purple tomatoes and mix them all in. Black pepper, a little garlic powder, a little basil, a little oregano.
Oh, yes.
Don't be afraid to pour it on there. It's a good lunchtime, afternoon meal, you know, mainly for lunch. And it's got such a taste when you mix the potatoes with the tomatoes and the onions, all three combined. And it's got a really good flavor. You get a loaf of bread and eat some of the salad like this, and they'll fill you up. And it's very delicious also. Get a little potato, tomato, onion.